Small start, Qingdao, San Francisco, 18th March 2014.
Just past the southern tip of Japan, out into the North Pacific Ocean proper now. It's been a tricky few days getting out from Qingdao. We had obviously really poor viz to deal with, and then we had to sort of motor sail due to the prevailing conditions for the first couple of days. Race has been underway for almost 48 hours now, just over 48 hours. For now, the wind is favourable. We're just riding along on the edge of the Black Snake Current. As you can see, we are going like an absolute train. Long may it continue.